So this is the local clay. We put the clay into this ball mill and we'll lock it up and spin it, add water and spin it around for how many hours, Daddy?
That's an hour.
Oh, 1 hour, right? So then we'll pump it with this pump, which will go into this filter press. The liquid clay comes inside through this hole, and these are all together like this. Okay, they're squeezed together, and the clay will fill each one of these pockets, and only the water can come out. And we'll keep pumping it and squeezing the water out. So that now is clay that's been prepared, but it's not ready yet. It now has to go into this machine, which is a pug mill. This pug mill was actually built by my youngest brother from scrap metal, completely. It mixes it up, kneads it, right? And then it takes out the air at the same time, and it extrudes it here in any shape profile that we want. It will come along like a big worm there, and we'll just cut it with this. Right? These are 10-pound bags for the schools.
And you've created all this machinery because you needed it, and you've made a way of doing it.
Right now we do it all ourselves, because what happened is that Daddy's working with the community college and the engineering section with the AutoCAD and all of that, where the students are coming here, so I'm drawing the machinery so that they can be built. In the future, a potter might go to a machinist and say, look, build me one of those things or whatever, right? People buy a lot of plastic junk, and what I want to do is sell them our mud junk.